Good morning. It is Candy. Excuse me. It's literally 5:30 in the morning on Saturday, and we're gonna plan. Okay? Oh, let me move my cords out of the way here. And we're doing Thanksgiving week. It's a busy week, guys. I don't have a whole lot going on. It's my normal work day because I don't work on Thursday. Normal work week. Um, Last week, we'll move this out of the way. I'm not going to be super long because I do have to put my foot up after my procedure yesterday. Everything went well. Now it just like it's on fire, but that's normal for me because my histamine levels are through the roof. So it's fine. We're fine. Everything's going to be fine. I will pause probably in a little bit when my coffee cools down just a bit to take a couple Motrin. But other than that, we are good to go. November 24th, 2025 through the 30th. The Thanksgiving kit. Here we go. So I had last week's video all recorded up and ready to go. Oh my goodness. So then I put it in my editing platform and I don't know what happened. The whole thing turned green. It was like a green screen. So I had to delete the whole thing because I'd already taken it off my SIM card. It was just this whole big deal. So I do apologize there was no video for last week. See if we can avoid that this time. The camera that I'm using only holds so much video, and I thought, oh yeah, it's up, it's good, it's going. Yeah, it was not, so I will pay close attention next time. I didn't get my date dots out. I do not know if they, oh, I can do these coffee stickers. I gotta get them out of here. If they are up here, no, I think I put them back in the big box. So I'll do that last because I'm ready to go. Monday. Have you guys decided what planner you're using next year? I've got mine. I am doing the Planner Envy, and I got the vertical layout for next year, which is similar to this, but the boxes are a little bit different. The sidebar and the tracking stuff is a little bit different in that one. So I'm super excited to try it. I'll move all these sticky notes off of here. Thursday is Thanksgiving at my house. But again, I don't work on Thursday, so I already have that day off. Friday, Native American Heritage Day. And I might have to rearrange to put my foot up, my leg up. It's still pretty swollen. That's better. Okay, so then I will put this, because of the holiday, this falls a day ahead. Then I've got my weekend. And let's see. I need to do my to-dos. Put my work schedule on here. Yep, I'm going to have to put my foot up because I already can feel it. They said to act like nothing happened. Whoops, that doesn't go there. I'm not working that day. Meaning, he said, whatever you would do today, do it. So after the procedure, which they went in and numbed the inner side of my leg on my left side from the ankle to the groin and closed a vein down because I was having blood clots. So he said, it's my weekend off. Oh, we have plans. So he said, whatever you were going to do, go do it. So we went grocery shopping after. It was very slow. It was a little painful, but I managed. We got the majority of our grocery shopping done. We got our Thanksgiving dinner shopping done. Because, you know, you don't want to do that at the last minute. I don't want to do that at the last minute. What did I use? That's what I used last week. So I'll use this Thanksgiving dinner this week. And the reason I used that kit last week is because I ended up with 2 of those kits. So I just used it because that was the other one that I had by default. Oh, that's not. These are a little bit repositionable. You have to be kind of careful. Be gentle with both the sticker and the paper. Tuesday. I know I've got some stuff on my calendar next week too. I have a doctor's appointment in the morning, and I might have a client call, depending on how the doctor's appointment goes. So I will put this doctor appointment up here because it's like way early. I have to take my husband to work, and then I have to go directly to the appointment. All should be fine. And then, let's see, what do I want on Wednesday? Wednesday, let's do this, because that's probably going to be prep night. I'm getting all of the things ready to go for Thursday. Excuse me. So we are only feeding our immediate family, like those who live in my home. So we bought a tiny turkey breast. We bought a mid-sized ham because the ham will go more than the turkey. But I don't like ham, so we had to have turkey. And something here. Maybe this box. This box here. This should be a pretty light week at work also. And oh yeah, good enough. We have plans on Saturday. Let's do this one. Saturday morning, my husband and I have a day date. So then I'll just do some of this deco down here. Bruce put all the food down here at the bottom. That's fine. It's fine. It's just for me. Okay, move this marker. Other than my numbers, I don't have a whole lot. I don't think I've got no other meetings except for Tuesday potentially. And you know, I kind of thought it was weird. Why are there so many? I figured it out. This lady at Sprinkle Shine Studios, I don't know who she is. If I might have at one point, but I don't at this minute. I'm going to use 3, even though it's technically 2, because my school doesn't go on Friday. They go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But this week, they're off Wednesday and Thursday. But I'm going to put Friday on here too, just to use that. It's Thanksgiving break, so I don't have any other way to use that line of stickers. So I am going to use them that way. I guess I could have used fall break because they don't really take a fall break. So there's that. Then there's this. #24. Saturdays, the 29th, 30th, because I don't have my numbers on. I have to build my sidebar so we can get that in. This one's the one I wanted to use, the silverware. There's a really pretty silverware. Oh, I thought there was a big one. Did I use the big one? I don't see it. Anyway, it's fine. Let's use this green one. Use this silverware. Because I do not usually write in it. So let's use this. And let's decide, because that's going to be in the middle. So let's do light and dark. Then my next week box. So I've got this dark one and that dark. Let's do this lighter one. We will do this lighter one here. And then throw some deco in. How many turkeys do you need on one page? All of them. We'll just do all of the turkeys. Just kidding, because there's really one more. I'm going to do the silverware down here between these. This pie can come over here. I need to write my stuff in here for this tracker. Oh, there's already that. Okay, let's put it down here. What about this one? That one can go there. We're going to have a dessert table. I have some green beans. I don't like green beans either, so Thanksgiving is not my meal of choice. I don't like any of it. Add a couple of these flowers just haphazardly here, just because they're on here. And we're trying to use what we've got. Some of these berries. Okay. Do I know where my pencil is? Oh, it's right here, buried under all the stickers over there. Okay, so I've got anything else. I think that's going to do it today. We will go ahead and pop it in the planner. Last week, this week, and I will be posting my after the pen for last week. Oh my goodness. On my Instagram. Everything will be linked in the description down below. Yeah. Happy Saturday. I'll see you guys next time.